My name is Carys Griffiths and I'm a community midwife in Mhowys. I'm also a farmer and live on a farm. The pregnant woman should make sure that she is not delivering lambs really while she's pregnant. The fluids around the lamb can carry toxoplasma, so it's important that she doesn't deliver, that she doesn't get in contact with the waters around the lamb, not touch at all the afterbirth, and also the milking ewe, so no fluids. The toxoplasma usually lives within the afterbirth, so it is very important that she doesn't touch the lamb, touch any fluids, doesn't touch the placenta or the milking ewe. It's also important for her to check her environment and make sure that the fluid hasn't gone on the straw, on the fence, on the posts, so being very careful. The pregnant woman living on a farm should be aware of any symptoms that might develop. So if she's feeling ill, if she has fever, high temperature, lymph nodes as well, if they're swollen in any way, then she should see her midwife or GP immediately to gain the treatment that she requires for her and her baby. So the partner of a pregnant woman, he should really wash his hands with soap and water after delivering any lambs, and he should dry his hands properly as well. People forget about drying the hands, and then if you've got alcohol rub, hand gel, you could use that after, but the most important thing is to wash your hands properly. It's important for the farmer, if they're delivering, to use gloves or their overalls or long aprons, and also the partner really should be the one to put his clothes into his own washing machine and wash those clothes at 60 or so, or whatever the fabric can take. And also to ensure that if he's using boots that are out, that have been in the pens and everything, that when he comes into the house that he keeps them outside or in the porch so that they don't come in the house to the pregnant woman.